Hey guys, what is up fam? So I'm back today with another video and I thought I would recreate Kylie's summer 2018 collection and the look that she had going on for it just because it was so beautiful. So if you want to see how I got this look, then stay tuned and keep on watching. So I'm starting off by taking the new Urban Decay Born to Run palette, which is so exciting, and I'm taking the first shade called Breakaway and I'm just applying that to my brow bone and my inner corner to act as a highlight. Next, I'm going into the shades called Baya or Baja and Still Shot. Oh, I so butchered that. And I'm just applying that to my crease and to act as my transition shades as well. And as you can see, I'm dragging these colors out towards the end of my brow bone because that's exactly what Kylie had going on. Just keep blending. Next, I'm dipping into the shade called Double Life, which is this gorgeous chocolate shimmer, and I'm just applying the shade all over my eyelid and slowly working my way up towards the crease. Next, I'm going in with the shade called Ignite, which is a little bit lighter, and I'm just applying that to the center of my eyelid to create more light and definition. Now I'm just taking the shades called Good Is Gone and Punk, and I'm just mixing those two and applying them to my crease and my outer corner to again create more darkness and definition. And I'm just slowly dragging this color through towards my crease because it is very pigmented and I don't want to overpower the shades we already had going on there. And again, I'm dragging both of these colors out for that nice sexy cat eye look. Now I'm just going back in with those two transition shades just to help further blend everything and to make sure we don't lose the intensity of those that we have already applied. Now I'm just going in with the shade called Stranded, which is this gorgeous gold shimmer, and I'm just applying it to my brow bone and inner corner because that's exactly what Kylie had going on. Now I'm just blending everything out for a seamless finish so there's no harsh lines because we definitely don't want that, girl. Now I'm going in with MAC's Morange lipstick and I'm just using a liner brush and I'm exactly recreating what Kylie had going on her eye. So I'm basically starting off from my inner corner and I'm just creating a line kind of towards almost the end of my eyeshadow. And don't worry, take your time, especially because I'm using a lipstick. It took quite a while for me to build up the shade, but damn, it looked good in the end. Now I'm just going back in with those two darkest shades we used just to help clean up and crisp up that line. See, I told you, it took me a while to build this color up. Now I'm just basically going back in with those two dark shades, and I wanted something on my top lash line because we are going to be putting falsies on. I didn't want to go in with the black because Kylie didn't have that, so I just used the two darkest shades and created a smoky winged liner. Now I'm just prepping my lashes for mascara and falsies by curling them, applying mascara as you can clearly see. And now I'm just taking these sort of more natural Ardell wispy lashes and applying them because honestly, I don't think they used dramatic falsies on Kylie. It didn't look like she had any. I think they might have just put mascara on her eyelash extensions, so that's why I chose to use these. Now, I'm so sorry you can't see, but I'm applying those two transition shades to my lower lash line, and I'm going in with the MAC lipstick and applying it along my lower lash line and kind of in my inner corner there as well. My waterline, that's what I meant to say. Next, I'm going in and applying a little bit of mascara to my lower lashes. Kylie did not have anything crazy going on there, so I'm exactly doing the same. Now I'm just lining my lips with a red lipstick from NYX. I'll leave all the product deets in the down bar below in case you're wondering. And I'm just creating a more defined line for my lips. I'm going back in with that same MAC lipstick. Again, the shade is Morange, and I know it looks more red on camera, but I promise you it's a true orange. And I'm just using that to fill in my lips. Now, as you know, I always finish off my videos by using the Glam Glow Setter Setting Spray, so I'm just spraying and setting my makeup in place, as you can see. And that's the final look, guys. So I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Let me know your thoughts down below. As always, don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. Turn on your post notifications. Do it now. And I'll see you all in my next video. Bye, guys. I love you.